Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscribe for more updates, and leave your comments and questions below. I would be glad to answer it. So on Solana, on the weekly or daily chart, it doesn't matter, we are looking already for a flat or a zigzag. Basically it is a zigzag where by the way, in the history, I watched that there is some impulse here. Now on Coinbase, it did not cover it somehow. I think I have to move my my Solana analysis to Crypto.com, where they have a much bigger history for Solana. And however, this doesn't change anything in the analysis. By the way, it's the same. However, we see an impulse here, and this is your leg of a wave 5. Therefore, this is definitely finishing as a zigzag, right? We are looking for a B, and a C, and I think we made an analysis before where we said, of course, this is impulsive, so basically it is a zigzag, but the problem is that the overshooting wave B. But now I just realized that, okay, there is even more hidden history here, which Coinbase did not cover, unfortunately. So anyways, this make it much more clearer anyway, that we are in a zigzag ABC, and by all means we are looking for a wave C with 5 waves towards the upside. And what we can see here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We are still looking for a wave 5. Of course, it's not finished here, because if you have 1, 2, you have again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only, which it has finished the wave 3. Therefore, we are still looking for a 4, 5 towards the upside, where your potentially your wave 4 has finished. So to look at this much more clearly, we're gonna open our daily impulse analysis here, where we can see the finished wave 4 exactly on the 0.5 Fib level for $113 for Solana. And as we can see, a finished ABC has been already given here, where we can see an A, finished A, and a B, 3 waves also towards the upside, and a finished wave C impulsively towards the downside. And after that, we have started to see a potential of a 1, 2 formation, and exactly the last week we also did another 1, 2, and now we are still looking towards the upside. Now, looking at the 1 hour chart to see what is going on in this area, in your bullish scenario, we already finished a 1, 2, right? Potentially, it's forming a diagonal. So, what we are looking at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finished a contracting diagonal possibly. And we are looking after it, or even potentially finish zigzag here. It can be turned into zigzag very simply. And finish another zigzag as wave 2. And also, another zigzag has finished for wave 3, which it has hit perfectly the fib levels for a diagonal wave 3. While it did not reach the 1-to-1 fib level for an ABC for a zigzag. Like if we take here the zigzag, the 1-to-1 was not reached at all for a zigzag. Okay, here we go. This is your 1-to-1. It did not reach it, and if we want to transform this to an impulse for a wave 3, higher wave 3, of course we did not even reach it as 1.618. But what it was touched perfectly was the diagonal wave 3. As fib levels. So, sorry. For that option then, we are looking now, if we take the parallel here of this diagonal and we project it almost here, we can see that we have already finished even potentially our wave 4. Of course, we still have some gaps, but it preferably that we just move on from there. And then move up again for a wave 5 towards the upside. Now, of course, once we finish these 5 waves, all these 5 waves can be considered, of course, as 1, 2 again, and then move up fractally towards the upside. Now this scenario might have be the same on Bitcoin, which yeah, I just discovered it was much clearer, to be honest, on Solana. But I will take a look again on the Bitcoin chart for the 1 hour chart to see if the same scenario is happening, and then I will mention it in the intraday analysis. So this is your bullish scenario, of course, for Solana. Your bearish scenario is your bearish scenario is that you have an impulse towards the downside here, right? 5 waves, and you already finished ABC. So if you look closer again, your wave 2 as 1, 2, your wave 2 as ABC has reached exactly the green box fib levels for a wave 2, which is perfect for a wave 2, right? So if we have here 1, 2, we could have 3, 4, 5 towards the downside. And in that case scenario, of course, if we go bigger on a time frame, what does it mean? If we go 5 waves impulsively, that means we might have, we might have ABC. Which scenario is that? A, B, and a C. Okay, running flat. So A, B, C, 3 waves up, 3 waves down for wave B, for expanding, running flat actually, because it has ended very short. And then so WXY, where we gonna finish the WXY, of course, for Solana here as W, X, and Y. And by all means, of course, you finished your wave 4 exactly here, and then you want to move up for higher prices after finishing 3 structure, complex structure in WXY. And of course, to be watched to see what's gonna happen. If your target here as a bullish scenario, if we drop down from this trend line, if we break it, that means your diagonal might be invalid, right? Because if we take the fibs as well, let's take always the fibs, retracement wave 4, here we go, but as diagonal wave 4, here we go. You already hit your fib levels for a wave 4. Now, if you reach, this is an uncommon target. However, once you reach outside here, that means this wave is bigger than your wave 2. Okay, so wave 4 became bigger than your wave 2, which is not allowed in contracting diagonal. Therefore, it could be your confirmation that we are bearish, right? Of course, another scenario still existing could be existing, of course, in case that we are 1, 2, but it's very, very low possible scenario. So we see 3 waves here, not 5 waves. So if we break this, guys, much more potentially we are bearish. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.